Hello guys, I'm back to share something so special, guys. I rarely discuss about it, but I'm going to be taking you through company profiling. How do you earn money in this category of company profiling? Yes, let me go down to company profiling. I think you can see our certificate of incorporation, our trade license. So let me go straight to company profiling. I want you guys to give it attention so that you may be able to understand what is company profiling, how does one get money in this company profiling. This is what I'm trying to mean. Company profiling, right? Yes, that is the company profiling. How do you get guys money in company profiling? Basically, here you go ahead and invite companies, right? You go ahead and invite companies to come and advertise with digital adverts, to come and bring all their information, all their services and their products, including where they are located, whatever information they would like to advertise. And company profiling, it is basically not in a video format or whatever, but it is like the historical background of the company, what it would like to do, its locations, whatever it would like to post to people, or in case somebody wants to reach the company, how he could find the company. So it will put its details basically on the platform. How do you get money for the company putting its details on the platform? This is the main reason where we are going to be discussing basically on company profiling. So here in the company profiling, all you need to do is to package yourself very well and visit these companies. Package yourself well and visit these companies. Give them the reason why they need to come and advertise on digital adverts. Remember, whatever company you bring, whatever business you bring, you are entitled to get a commission, of 15%, right? 15%, and you can see the packages. Monthly is 200,000, so you can calculate 15%, still that's some good money. 3 months is 450,000, and 6 months is 600,000. Then 12 months is 1 million. So whatever package they come up with, whatever time they choose, either month, 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year, the company still pays you 15% of that money. This money is actually instant. It is not like I have to pay you monthly or weekly. No. The moment the company agrees to come up and advertise on digital adverts, instantly you receive your money. This goes up to the 5th level. Yes, I'll come back and talk about those levels or the generations, but meanwhile let me discuss about the company profiling. So it is all up to you. If you have your skills, you can convince the companies. You have ability to prove to them that digital adverts has audience ready to follow the companies. If you're good in marketing, or if you have all that it takes to convince these companies, you can be making a lot of money. Imagine each company you bring, you're going to get 15%. And in case these companies want to renew their contracts, for example, a company chooses to pay 1 million per year and it keeps on renewing that contract, that means you're going to be getting that money every time the company renews. So if you're lucky, a company may decide to put up a contract of 10 years. So you can calculate, that's about 150,000 times 10. That's about, you can see that's a lot of money. And it's very easy because the platform is growing so big and so rapidly. So if you're a student, if you really have that time and skill to go up and convince companies, you're going to make a lot of money. this money is automatic. Every time you come up with a company, they pay you. Every time you come up with a company, they pay you. This has no limit, no matter where the company is. No matter where the company is, and companies are very many. So you can come up with at least one company per day or two, depending on your skills and how much you can convince these companies. Show them why they need to advertise with digital adverts and start making money instantly. As I told you, this money is daily. If you can bring 10 companies on board in one day, you still get paid the 15% commission per company. So it's something very nice. I wouldn't love to see guys missing this opportunity. This is a lot of money. 15% commission is a lot of money. If you try to calculate 15% commissions and all this, you will see that it is a lot of money. It is a lot of money. This money is monthly, yearly. Every time these guys renew contracts, you get paid. So basically today I'll be talking about only this, but the next time I come up on board, I want to be showing you all the generations. How do you get money within the generations? How do you build up your network? How do you make money with digital adverts? How do you make 100,000 per day with digital adverts? How do you make 50,000 per day in digital adverts? That's what I'm going to be teaching next, but I wanted to put my main focus on company profiling, because guys have a lot of questions on this. How will they be earning that money? How will they be getting companies? I told you it is very easy. Once you package yourself very well, you can convince these companies, give them a reason why you need to come to digital adverts. They will come on board and you'll be getting your money. I told you about the generations. I'll be talking more about them, but let me remind you that in case anyone in one of your network or in your generation brings up a company, you still get some money. Yes, if your friend who brought you comes up with a company, you also get some money. I'll be discussing with you about the generations and how you get money even when you are not working. I'll be talking to you about that in the next chapter, where I'm going to be talking about the generations, how you build up a team, how do you come up with a very strong team, the advantages of a team. So basically, let me have an end on this and we move on to the next chapter. But remember, money is in people, money is in the time you put in, money is in this company profiling, if at all you use your technique and your ability so well. Nice time to those new users. If you haven't registered, you're missing up a lot. Imagine you're missing all this money, right? You're missing all this money. New users, I'm putting my link in the description. My link is going to be in the description. I'm putting my telephone numbers down there, so in case you are a new user, go up and register. In case you want to make some inquiries, go ahead and call me. I'll be showing you what to do. I'll be discussing with you everything. Any question you have, new users, old users, I'm here always for you. Yes, I'm here always for you to show you how to make money with this company, right? My friends are making a lot of money. I myself am making a lot of money. Next time I'm coming up to discuss with you the generations, right? I'm coming to tackle the generations, because people didn't really understand about these generations. I'm coming to talk about this next time, and I don't want anybody to miss. Meanwhile, have a nice day. Go ahead and register. Link in the description. Thank you so much.